Star Mine, a $130 million lithium operation commissioned by President Emmerson Mnangagwa in 2022, slipped into a racism storm 2 weeks ago, with workers approaching the Department of Immigration and the Central Intelligence Organization (CIO) alleging serious racial discrimination. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Documents seen by The Independent last week claim Star's Chinese human resource manager Zheng Yanghong was at the center of the dispute. The reports, which were compiled by workers and sent to the Immigration Department and CIO, alleged that Yanghong was mocking Zimbabwean culture and threatening to fire workers on racial grounds. The Independent was told authorities had taken the issue seriously, with a CIO-led investigation underway. Last week, Yanghong could neither confirm nor deny the allegations. He referred The Independent to the Star Public Relations Office, but in the complaint, Star workers alleged that their HR manager, who is also the translator in the firm's management, was prioritizing Chinese nationals working at the mine over locals. They wanted the Department of Immigration not to renew Yanghong's visa on expiry. However, it appeared the visa has since been renewed. This is today's news about the $130 million Chinese lithium operation battling racism. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.